Tom thought James was his best friend, but he never imagined the betrayal that would change everything. Tom and James were friends since childhood. They went to the same school, played football together, and shared all their secrets. Everyone thought they were inseparable. One summer, Tom's family had a problem. They needed extra money to pay the rent. Tom wanted to help. He found a small job at a local shop. It was not much, but it helped his family. Tom was proud. He worked hard every day. He told James about the job. "I will help you," James said. Tom smiled. He trusted him completely. He felt lucky to have a friend like James. Then small things started happening. Some money disappeared from Tom's wallet. At first, Tom thought he lost it. But when it happened again, he became suspicious. But a few days later, Tom overheard a conversation. James was talking to two other boys from school. "He is so stupid," James laughed. "I know about his job and the money. I can take a little when he is not looking." The next day, Tom decided to test James. He left some money in his bag and watched secretly. James came to the bag, smiled, and took the money. Tom had proof now. Tom confronted James. "I trusted you," Tom said quietly. James looked surprised. I was just joking," James said. But Tom knew it was not a joke. Tom stopped trusting James completely. He returned the money to his wallet and never told James where he kept it again. Tom felt lonely, but he also learned an important lesson about friendship. Over time, Tom made new friends. He realized that not everyone who smiles at you is a true friend. True friendship needs honesty, respect, and trust.